Hello student, today we are going to learn what is interference. Okay, so interference equation also we are going to learn. Interference means the overlapping of two waves we can call as interference. So y1 waves and y2 wave, there are overlapping of two waves. Okay, so it may be a sine wave or it may be a cos wave. When both are in same phase, the interference going to happen with the constructive. Okay, the amplitude will be increasing. When both it is in the opposite phase, okay, so it's going to be happen with the destructive. There is no or light will come out or sound will come out. Okay, so this have same phase will get constructive, this have opposite phase. The phase difference here it is a 180 degree, here it is a 0 degree. Here no phase difference, here phase difference is a 180 degree. Okay, so here no output will come, here maximum output will come. Okay, this is called interference. Okay, the overlapping of two waves we can call as a interference. Now we'll see the equation. Okay, first equation, so overlapping of two waves we can call as interference. So y1 wave which is called a1 sine omega t. So sine omega t means which is called sine graph. Okay, so again the second wave we can call as a a2 sine omega t plus phase difference. Some extra will be there. Okay, it may be 180 degree will get as a destructive. There is no phase difference means we will get as a constructive. Okay, now overlapping of two waves we can call as a interference. Y is equal to y1 plus y2. What is y1? Y1 we know already, a1 sine omega t. For what is y2 know? It is going to be a a2 sine omega t plus phi. It's a phase difference. Okay, this going to be a sine a plus b. Sine a plus b, what we can call sine a cos b, cos a sine b. That formula I am going to apply. I am right here. What is sine a plus b? Sine a plus b, in case you got, we can write as a sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. Okay, here what is a no? Omega t. What is b no? Phi. Just we are changing the formula according to the second wave. Okay, see here, so I am changing the equation. The overlapping of both the waves we can call as interference. Y1 wave we know a1 sine omega t plus y2 wave know a2 sine omega t plus phi. Plus phi we know sine omega t cos phi, because already I told you the formula, plus sine omega t a2 times it is, sorry, already we wrote sine omega t plus a2 cos omega t sine phi. Okay, so this what we can call as a interference, the overlapping of two waves. Second wave alone I applied the formula sine a plus b sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. Okay, now what I am doing now, I am taking as a common outside. Okay, see here what is a common now. Here sine omega t I am taken common outside. Okay, see here the total wave of interference sine omega t within a bracket will get as a bracket. So see here in a bracket what will get? So remaining things a1 plus a2 cos phi. Okay, then plus this I am going to write. What is this? It is a2 cos omega t sine phi. Okay, now I am going to assume with the some terms. See here, this fully what I am going to assume now, a1 plus a2 cos phi I am going to assume as a cos theta, a times of cos theta. Okay, second no, this one I am going to take it as a sine phi. This one we assumed as a a2 sine phi, we assumed as a times of sine theta. Just now this is a equation 1 I am taken, this is a equation 2 we are taken. Okay, now we will change the equation, the resultant equation. Why this everything we assumed as a times of cos theta sine omega t plus this we assumed as a times of sine theta cos omega t. Now we got the same formula, sine a plus b sine cos sine a plus b. Sin A cos B cos A sin B. Same formula only I got here. Sin A plus B omega t plus phi. Okay, this is called resultant we'll get. Okay, now already we know we assumed this two value. Okay, what is that? No, A sin theta is equal to, see here, A sin theta is equal to A2 sin phi, A2 sin phi, A2 sin phi. Okay, and A cos theta we assumed as A1 plus A2 cos phi. Okay, now this is equation 1, this is equation 2, we know already. Just I am squaring, I am going to square and add this both the equation. Okay, now we'll see what we are going to get. Okay, see this one square, no, I will get as a square sin square theta. This one square, no, A square cos square theta. So A square sin square theta plus A square cos square theta. What I am doing is just I am squaring, adding both the equation is equal to this square, no, A2 square sin square phi plus A1 plus A2 cos phi whole square will get. Okay, this is A plus B whole square formula. We have to do A square plus B square plus 2AB. Okay, here common is a A. Take it A square as a common outside, capital A square. Okay, so is equal to, see here, A2 square sin square theta, sin square phi. This squaring, no, we are taken as a A1 square plus A2 square cos square phi plus 2 times of A1 A2 cos phi, because A plus B whole square formula, A square plus B square plus 2AB. Okay, from this 2 value, no, I am taken A2 common outside. Okay, so A1 square, from this 2 I am taken A2 square common outside. So sin square phi plus cos square phi plus 2 times of A1 A2 cos phi. Okay, this together will become as a 1. Now finally we will get A square is equal to A1 square plus A2 square plus 2 times of A1 A2 cos phi. Okay, this is a resultant amplitude. Our interference going to depend on this only. Now we'll see the 3 condition. Okay, first condition, case 1, cos phi is 0 degree. Okay, actually phi is 0 degree. Phi is we are taken as 0 degree. Cos 0 degree, how much? Cos 0 degree will have 1. Okay, so for case 1, A I will get as A square, I will get as A1 square plus A2 square plus 2 times of A1 A2. This is called A square plus B square formula. So A1 plus A2 whole square will get. This is called case 1. Okay, now I will go with the case 2. Case 2, theta will taken as a 90 degree. Okay, for case 2, theta we are taken as a 90 degree. Okay, so already I told you 0 degree phase difference will get constructive, the maximum interference will get. Okay, now 90 degree phase difference. Okay, A square cos 90 will have 0, cos 90 will have 0. Okay, A square is equal to A1 square plus A2 square plus 2 times of A1 A2 cos 90 will be 0. Okay, 0 into anything will give us a 0 value only. So the resultant I will get, I will get as A1 plus A2 square. This is for 90 degree. Okay, now we'll go third condition, third case. Okay, theta will be 180 degree. Cos 180 will have minus 1. Okay, minus 1. Now amplitude is equal to A1 square plus A2 square plus 2 times of A1 A2 cos 180 degree. Cos 180 degree how much? Minus 1. So we'll have A1 square plus A2 square. It is a minus 1, no, minus 2 A1 A2. This is A minus B whole square formula. A square plus B square minus 2AB. So A1 minus A2 whole square is equal to A square. That means A is equal to, so you have to square this. So A1 minus A2. Okay, in case both the amplitude you will get equal, means I will get as a 0. Resultant will be 0. Okay, same thing here also. A square we have, no, A is equal to A1 plus A2. When both is equal, 2 times of A will get. Okay, now same equation I am going to change it like a intensity. Okay, see, squaring of amplitude we can call as a intensity. Okay, see intensity formula, amplitude formula I am going to change as a intensity. A square A1 square plus A2 square plus 2 times of A1 A2 cos phi. Same equation I am going to change as a intensity. We know intensity is directly proportional to squaring of amplitude. So total amplitude will have total intensity. First amplitude will have I1 intensity, second amplitude I have I2 intensity, because square is there, no, I am writing directly intensity. Okay, plus 2 times of A1. So I know intensity directly proportional to squaring of amplitude 1 1. So if you want what is A1 no, we can call as a root of I. Okay, I1. So because amplitude is root of intensity, we know intensity directly proportional to squaring of amplitude. So amplitude is root of intensity I1 root of I2 cos phi. Again 3 condition we have to do. First condition, phi will be 0 degree. Okay, cos 0 will have 1. Okay, so when cos 0 will become 1 no, intensity is equal to I1 plus I2 plus 2 times of root I1 root I2. When both the intensity is equal no, this 2 will become equal, this 2 will become equal. So 2 times of I1 plus 2 times of I1 square whole square will become I1. So 4 times of I1 I'll get as a total intensity when the angle is 0 degree. Okay, when the angle is 90 degree, cos 90 will have 0. So phi will be 90 degree. Cos 90, the answer will be 0. So total intensity we know already I1 plus I2 plus 2 times of root of I1 root of I2 cos 90 will be 0. So cos 90 will be 0. This fully will become 0. So total intensity is going to be I1 plus I2 is condition 2, case 2, special condition. Okay, now third one, 3. I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus 2 root I1 root I2 cos phi. Now phi will be 180 degree. Phi will be 180 degree. Cos 180 will be negative 1. So I'll get as I1 plus I2 minus, because cos 180 is minus 1, 2 times of I1 I2. When this 2 is equal and this 2 is equal, no, 2 times of I1 minus 2 times of I1. I'll get as a 0 intensity when both the intensity will be equal. Okay, same interference formula, just I can modify like another way also. See here, intensity is equal to I1 plus I2 plus 2 times of root I1 root I2 cos phi. This only formula no. I can modify like this also. When both the intensity is equal no, 2 times of I plus when this 2 is equal, 2 times of I 2 times of I1 square whole square, because both are equal no, with the cos phi will get. Okay, so this one will become I only 2I1 plus 2I1, because I1 I2 will become equal. Okay, cos phi. Okay, because I1 is equal to I2. Okay, so we'll have 2I common outside. 1 plus cos phi will be inside. So 1 plus cos phi we can write as 2 times of cos square phi by 2. So we'll have 4 times of I1 cos square phi by 2. This is a intensity formula. Okay, thank you for watching my channel. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Thank you everyone.